It to happen we just don't have sight. Sight is for people who live in the present. We have vision, we're going to make it happen before it happens. You got it right even if no one published your book right, because that was given to you to do. Everything in you is telling you to stop. To give up, every muscle is aching and you're saying to yourself you can do it. Where you are is temporary, you will not be there for the rest of your life. Other people couldn't see it, a lot of people didn't believe it, you were attacked, you were criticized, people were opposing you, but you kept on doing it. It was hard, it was rough, it was difficult. But to you it was worth it. Say this to yourself every day: I can write my own book, I can have my own business, I can take the trip and travel around the world. It's possible, I can bounce back from adversity and reinvent my life. It's possible. Foreign. There's so many individuals out there that are so talented and different things that never accomplish anything. World is filled with talented people, and they've never accomplished anything. The body has limitations, the mind does not. We focus so much on what goes on from the neck down that we forget it all starts from here. If you're not mentally ready, you're never really physically prepared. Why most people never achieve their goals, while 2 or 3% really achieve a high level of success. The people who took this one action every single day were the ones who achieved their goals and dreams more often than anybody else. Part of your passion is also one of the biggest questions. You just gotta try everything, you just got to keep trying. I mean, that's the thing. It's like you have to be motivated to at least try. I firmly believe that everybody on this planet has a gift. It's your job to figure out what that gift is, and it becomes your job to decide whether you're going to act on that or not. There is nothing we cannot do. It's really a matter of setting a focused goal, because without a target or miss it every time, picking a target and then picking the steps along the way and realizing that all the resources, all the capital, all the expertise is there, but ultimately it's only going to be tap if that target is in your heart and your soul. What changes our whole life is action. Why don't we take action? Fear what we got to do to get ourselves to do it. We got to make sure that we push ourselves through it by making a decision. The point in which change happens is a decision. Every change in your life that you want will come from something simple. Decision. See, a real decision is not like a preference. It's not like when you say, I'll try it and see. That's not a decision. Decision comes from Latin, means like incision, to cut off from. Decision is when you cut off any possibility except that they need to commit it to. It's like that, is it? A decision is the first step. Decision is like a war. I gotta do this or that. All right, I'm gonna make myself do this. But commitment is when you nail after you've decided you've committed to do this for the long term. Whether it's hard or easy, doesn't matter, you're doing this. It takes it from this moment and it carries it into the future even when things are difficult. Decide, commit, and resolve. Don't wait until you're 25 or 35 or 45 years old. Start building that discipline right now to get what you want, because there's 7 billion other people on this planet trying to get it, trying to get this thing called success. See, most people think success is a straight line. I'm gonna get out of high school line, going to get a job, and everything's gonna be fine. That's not how it plays out, folks. Okay, this is how it plays out. God decides he wants something, and the line gets all squiggly. See, that's really what success looks like. Discipline means taking the hard road, the uphill road, to do what's right. Most people stop at failure. We've all failed at things. I'm going to continue to fail at stuff like it's the most powerful tool you can use, but it all depends on how you use it. There's two types of people: people that are going to get what they want in the life they want, and people that don't. Two types of people, folks: people that get the life they want, and everybody else. A lot of people out there that are constantly trying to improve themselves by looking for the one change. The one change, right? The one change in their life that's gonna make their dreams come true. It isn't one thing. And it isn't 10 things, and it isn't a 100 things, it isn't a quick path, and there are no shortcuts. Getting better isn't a hack or a trick, or a one change that you need to make. Getting better is a campaign. It's a campaign, it's a daily or weekly. It's an hourly fight. An incessant flight that doesn't stop. Against weakness and against temptation. And against laziness, it's a campaign of discipline. It's a campaign of hard work and dedication. It's waking up early and going to bed late and grinding out every second in between. Every single day. Just start doing it. Take that first step. And make it happen.